Welcome back, my lovely subscribers. This is your girl ST Tech, and welcome back to our CKA exam series. Alright, family, let's move on to question 14. The question read as: a user accidentally deleted the MariaDB deployment in the MariaDB namespace, which was configured with persistent storage. Your responsibility is to re-establish the deployment while ensuring data is preserved by reusing the available persistent volume. Task: a persistent volume already exists and is retained for reuse. Only one PV exists. Create a persistent volume claim (PVC) named MariaDB in the MariaDB NS with the spec. Access mode read-write once and storage 250 megabytes. Edit the MariaDB deploy file located at home/mariadb-deploy.yaml to use PVC created in the previous step. Apply the updated deployment file to the cluster. Ensure the MariaDB deployment is running and stable. This CKA question is about data recovery. The MariaDB deployment was deleted, but the persistent volume still exists. Our job is to bring the application back without losing any data. The most important thing to understand here is this: we do not recreate the persistent volume. Kubernetes has already retained it. All we need to do is create a matching PVC, attach it to the deployment, apply the deployment back to the cluster. So let's get started by checking for the persistent volume with kubectl getpv command. And we should see one persistent volume available or released. So now that we are sure, let's create the PVC. First, we create our file, then edit it. But to do that, you should always refer to the Kubernetes documentation where you can get the YAML file.
Your tech journey starts here. Code it, dream it, live it, live it, live it.
Then do the following. Edit just like this.
Let's build the future. One line of code, one dream at a time. From the cloud to the console, the rhythm flows. Innovation lives where the knowledge grows. SD Tech, your tech journey starts here. Code it, dream it, live it.
After that, save and exit.
From the cloud to the console, the rhythm flows. Innovation lives where the knowledge grows.
We now create the PVC with this kubectl apply-f command plus our YAML file. This will create our persistent volume claim. This section of the exam is completed. So now, let's edit the deployment file provided by the exam. VI to the file at ~mariadb-deploy.yaml. Just like this. Then, we simply point the volume to the new PVC.
Let's build the future. a time. From the cloud to the console, the rhythm flows. Innovation lives where the knowledge grows.
Just like this. Then apply it with the kubectl apply-f command.
One line of code, one dream at a time. From the cloud to the console, the rhythm flows. Innovation lives where the knowledge
Once the pod comes up and stays running, that tells us the data was successfully reused. And that officially completes CKA Exam Series Question 14. That's enterprise-level Kubernetes recovery right there. Next up is Question 15. If you want all these scripts, YALM files, and practice labs in one zip, check the link in the description.
Innovation lives where the knowledge grows. SD Tech, your tech journey starts here. Code it, dream